In 1999, Moldex invented the PlugStation earplug dispenser. Earplugs everywhere and anywhere, instantly bringing more hygiene, convenience, and cost savings to hearing protection programs. In the years since, corded, packaged, and other earplug types followed with the same universal benefits, bringing plugs to the people, with more hygiene and cost savings to the end user. With 500 pairs available, PlugStation and EcoStation dispensers drop earplugs right into the palm of your hand, wherever and whenever they're needed. Simply place them wherever you want, using Moldex screw-in or magnetic brackets for easy hanging. Boost convenience and cost savings even further by using Moldex EcoStation. Refills are easy to install and snap in quickly. Plus, empty bottles are fully recyclable. An extra large option is also available with 750 pairs of plugs. And if you're looking to take hygiene to an even higher level, the touch-free EcoStation dispenses earplugs with a wave of your hand. When it comes to earplug dispensers, it's simple. Moldex has been doing it the best for the longest. It's the ultimate in hygiene, cost savings, and convenience. You owe it to you and your team to give it a try. For more on our dispensers and all other Moldex PPE, visit moldex.com. Moldex. Ideas that wear well.